In a small village in Jamaica, a boy named Noel dreamed of music. Each day, he would watch the sunset over the turquoise sea, blending the vibrant colors of the sky with the rhythms of reggae that flowed through his small town. With an old cassette player and borrowed records, he began experimenting, mixing sounds that inspired him. Neighbors would pause their chores, clapping along to his unique beats. Noel worked odd jobs to save enough for a second-hand turntable, which he proudly placed in his tiny bedroom. Every scratch and mix took hours, but his passion consumed him. The local street parties became his testing ground, where his friends would gather, and word spread about the boy who could make the bottled sunshine dance. One night, a well-known producer heard him spinning at a festive gathering. Captivated by Noel's energy and talent, he offered him a chance to perform at a major festival in Kingston. With nerves fluttering like butterflies in his stomach, Noel stepped onto the stage, the crowd roaring with anticipation. He lost himself in the music, dropping beats that stirred hearts and united strangers. By the end of the night, he wasn't just a DJ, he was a sensation. From that day forward, Noel's name became synonymous with unforgettable nights and dance floor magic, proving that a boy from a village could shine on the world's biggest stages, all while staying true to his Jamaican roots.